Sheba nails, picking up some stuff. I got some more liquid, some sanding bands. Trying to see if there's a color I like. I want something, kind of want something nude. These are pretty. Strut your style. Oh, these are pretty. This is pretty. I like that one. What's the log cabin look like? Let's see that one. Booty call. This cranberry. That's pretty. The hibiscus is pretty. Lily. These are the unicorn poop glitters. These are pretty. These. Oh, here they go. Dark acrylic powder. 7 each. Oh, that's the dip white. That's the dip acrylic. Hey y'all, I just got back from the nail supply store, the one that I've showed you guys before, Sheba Nail Supply. I went in there to pick me up some more Pro Sculpture nail liquid because I really liked it, this one. I also grabbed, get it to focus, a glow-in-the-dark acrylic powder. It says acrylic Luna powder. And it is called Cosmos. Let's see if I could get it. See the sparkle? It's a lavender, and I thought this was really pretty. I wanted pink, but I didn't see any pink left. So I got this to go. It goes with this monomer, the self-leveling monomer. It's a self-leveling acrylic powder, and I got that in nude pink. It's a very, very light color. I picked up a pack of the medium sanding bands. It's 10 count. It was $1.99 for this. I think this was $7 and this one was like $4.50. I forgot how much this was. Excuse me. This is a cuticle bit. And I wanted a different shape one. I do have a cuticle bit, but not in this shape. I'm sorry, it doesn't want to focus today. So this one has the ball tip on it. So I want to see how the, Jesus, so bright. I want to see how this one works out. I'm trying to get it to focus. There we go. See, it's like a ball tip. Let's see if I could. But yeah, it's a little ball tip. That's for cuticles. This was like, I think, $6. And then I also got this one. This one was $9, I think, $9 or $9.99. It's the fine flame bit ceramic. And that's how that one looks. What is on my finger? Yeah, this one looks like this. This is a flame bit in fine. So I was going to try this out with like removing product or a polish or something and see how well it works with that. So I think altogether I paid like 40-ish something bucks for everything that I got. I mainly went to go pick up some quick dry top coat, and I forgot. Totally forgot until after I was halfway home, and they closed at 5 o'clock. I made it there like maybe 20-30 minutes before they closed, and I couldn't turn around and go back because by the time I remember it was like 5 o'clock. So but I didn't even go in there for none of this. I did want to get a cuticle bit. That was on my list. And then the the top coat. Everything else is just because I was looking around and wanted to try out some new stuff. So yeah, I just want to show you guys what I picked up from my favorite local nail supply store that I can actually go in and go pick up whatever I need, but they are available online. You can follow them on Instagram. I believe they are on Facebook as well. But yeah, you guys can probably get all these supplies online as well. So yeah, that's it. See y'all later.